Good afternoon. This is Will Dressler. Here's a little video to show you how Textedly works. You could use this as a reference in the future. So to begin with Textedly, what we're going to need is a contact list. Now, to send a text, the only thing we actually really need is a phone number. You can also include first name, last name. You could also include address, information like that. When I get lists usually from Amanda, they have a lot more material on them than I need. But you really only need the phone number, but I'll include the first name and last name. And for Textedly, you have to have the top line must be exactly like this. First name, with capital F, capital N. Same thing, last name, capital N, capital L, capital N. Same thing with phone. It should be spelled exactly that way, and along with tags. So tags I'll explain, because tags doesn't come with the spreadsheet or the contact list you will have. So usually you'll have this, and if you have a lot of extra information that is on your spreadsheet, that's okay. You can delete it, but you can just leave it. It's not going to hurt anything if it's there. But the main thing that you really need is phone numbers. Okay, so we have our list of phone numbers. Now to send a text, the only way to really do it efficiently is to include a tag. So a tag is kind of like a label that you are putting on this particular text message that you're sending out this group. So in my opinion, the easiest way to do it is to start to label your tag by the date. So we are in 6/22/20. And I don't like to use only numbers because the formula number changes. So I would put the date and then a word like this is test. So 6/22/20 test. Now you want to copy this formula down your whole list. So if you're not sure how to do that, you just hover your mouse. Let me get outside that. So hover your mouse over the little blue thing, drag it down, and it'll copy down our tags, which is really handy when your contact list has 500 names on it. Okay, and it's important, don't end your tag in a number, because the Google by default will treat it like an increasing list. But you need everyone to have the exact same number, the exact same tag. Okay, so we've created our tag. We have phone numbers. Now what we need to do is file and download as a Cvs file. So we've downloaded contact list as a Cvs file. Then we come over to Textedly, so I've already logged in. To upload our list of subscribers, you go to first the subscribers tab over here. Then you click on new subscriber. And then, it by defaults to single subscriber, but you click to upload list. So browse, this is what we just created, test contact list. Keywords, so for this you're always going to select this. It's not really important to worry about it. And just say save. Okay, and so here it says 6 contacts were imported. No contacts were updated. So this means sometimes students are already in our system. And so if they were in our system from a previous text with a different tag, they'll be updated with this tag. But because these were all fake names and fake numbers, there were no duplications. Okay, so they have imported our list. Now to send our message, again, click on subscribers, and in the search, type in the tag we just used, 6/22/20 test. So type that into search, hit enter, and if you scroll down here, it'll say send message to 6 subscribers. So those are the 6 subscribers who have that tag. So that's the easiest way to do it. So you just click there. All 6 will be added to your new campaign. Just say yes. And from here, they've been added right there. All you need to do is type in your text message and then push send now. Or you can schedule it to send later. But that's all it takes from start to finish. I hope that was easy to follow.